Welcome to the Master Program in Graphic Design and Generative AI for 2026. This program transforms creative designers into AI-powered digital creators. Design smarter, create faster, and lead the revolution. Our course offers next-generation design training for the AI era. You will blend timeless design fundamentals with cutting-edge generative AI tools like Midjourney and Firefly. Transform your creative process from manual execution to AI-assisted creative direction. The curriculum is structured around an integrated workflow. We follow the new creative equation: human creativity plus AI acceleration equals exponential impact. This allows you to reduce production time and explore 10 times more design. Module 01 focuses on design foundations and core software. Master Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, along with principles like typography, color theory, and branding. The hands-on project is creating a complete brand identity kit. Module 02 is Generative AI for Designers. You will learn prompt engineering using tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Adobe Firefly. Key topics include concept art generation, style consistency, and ethical AI usage. The project is an AI-powered poster campaign. Module 03 covers AI-enhanced design workflow. Integrate Canva Magic Design, ChatGPT, and MS Copilot to automate tasks. Learn smart resizing, hashtag strategy, and generating social media content. The hands-on project is a social media content calendar. Module 04 is dedicated to AI image editing and retouching. Utilize tools like generative fill and AI upscaling for commercial product mockups and realistic composites. The project involves creating a polished product advertisement with AI. Module 05 delves into AI motion and video content. You will work with Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Runway ML. Topics include AI text video, motion graphics, and AI voiceover syncing. Produce an AI-powered short video advertisement as your project. Module 06 focuses on advanced AI creative systems. Learn to use Gamma app, AI mockups, and automation techniques. The capstone project is developing a complete AI-powered brand ecosystem, including brand kits, packaging concepts, and a pitch deck. Upon course completion, you will have a future-ready skill set combining human intuition with machine intelligence. Master professional design tools, generative AI production, branding, and ethical AI usage to maximize your creative impact. Portfolio development is key. Compile your AI-enhanced masterpieces into a professional multi-format portfolio, ready for platforms like Behance and Dribbble. Showcase integrated case studies covering AI-powered branding, campaign visuals, and motion graphics. Blend of graphic design and generative AI opens high-demand career opportunities. Roles include AI graphic designer, digital marketing creative, and freelance consultant. AI skills can command a significant salary premium over traditional design roles. Why learn graphic design with AI? You gain faster creative execution, a strong competitive edge, and higher productivity. These future-proof skills ensure you lead the change. Join the revolution and define the future of design. You are now equipped with the power of generative AI. Design smarter, create faster, and lead the revolution. Redefine the boundaries of digital creativity. For more information, visit our website or contact us.